Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Danish. In this video of today, I am showing you how marble blocks are cut and sectioned on machines. I am going to show you the complete process. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the video. This is strawberry marble blocks are being cut. This 12 by 24 size 14 suture block is being converted into 4 suture tiles. All marble blocks are cut on this machine in various sizes. In addition, the stair steps are also cut on this machine. So this was the video of today. If you like my video, so like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.